Good morning. Good morning to all the students of G. Pillarity second year BCom Computers A section, B section, general students. Okay. Previous class we discussed about terms of insurance. That is the common terms which are there in the insurance, like who is insured, who is insurer, what is premium, what is policy, what is bond, who is an agent, what is a broker, who is a broker. These all topics we discussed about. Okay, next is insurance intermediaries. What is the meaning of insurance intermediaries? Some people, some companies, some insurance companies are not able to reach the people directly. So through the indirect ways, from the indirect forms, it is coming to the people who are coming, these insurance companies. So through which people, through which companies, which agencies the insurance is able to reach to the people comes under insurance intermediaries. Clear? So let's see the meaning of insurance intermediaries. Insurance intermediaries are brokers or agents who represent consumers in insurance transactions. First two sentences you see here. What is given in the first two sentences? Who are intermediaries? Either he may be a broker or he may be an agent. What is the difference between broker and the agent? Agent is qualified, experienced person who is appointed by the insurance company. Okay, brokers are the people who are not directly appointed by the insurance company but who are acting or who are doing the work as private people for this agents or for the insurance companies. Clear? So brokers are given commission because they are selling the policies, whereas agents are getting the salaried employees of insurance companies. So these two people, what is the duty of these two people? Selling. What they are selling? Insurance policies they are selling. Whom they are selling? Consumers. We, the public, they want to sell. Okay, by explaining about that policies. They are contracted with multiple insurance companies, so they can focus on matching their clients' needs with the most suitable insurance products. So a single agent or broker is not related only to one company. They work for many insurance companies which are existing in the market. They are doing the services for all the companies which are existing in the market. That is the meaning of contracted with multiple insurance companies. As well as they are focusing on what they are showing the interest is what people needs, what the consumer needs or what the customer needs, what type of policies, what is his situation in the market, whether he is middle class employee or poor employee, below poverty or above poverty. So catching this, they provide the insurance facilities. Who is providing insurance? People are providing. According to IRDA Act 1999, under section 2, subsection 1 and F of the Act states, intermediary or insurance intermediary includes insurance brokers, reinsurance brokers again, insurance consultants and surveyors and loss assessors. These all are according to IRDA. IRDA means what? Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, which started in 1999, which is the organization started with the approval of the government to look after about the insurance. This IRDA is completely about looking out the rules, regulations, powers, responsibilities, objectives, aims of these insurance companies. Clear? According to these IRDA Act, insurance intermediaries are there, brokers are there, insurance brokers are also there, surveyors are also there and loss assessors are there. So who is a surveyor? The person who is gathering the information about the market, about the population, about the employees, about the educated employees, skilled employees, unskilled employees, women employee and men employees, who are gathering the information about the different types of employments existing in the market. Loss assessors. When the situation of risk comes, how to overcome this risk? How this risk can be impaired with cash, with money. Okay, they are calculating a risk with the financial transaction. So these people comes under loss assessors. Clear? Intermediaries are the people who are reaching to the public, brokers and the intermediates are reaching to the public about the selling the insurance policies existing with the insurance company. Okay, different forms of intermediaries if you see: insurance agents, insurance brokers, bank assurance and micro insurance agents. How many types of different forms of insurance intermediaries are available here are: first one is insurance agents, next one is insurance brokers, and the third one is bank assurance, next one is micro insurance agents. So let's learn for each and every person. Insurance agents, meanings, type, eligibility. So here what is happening is types: eligibility, education, qualification, expectations, necessity of agent training, training schedule and structure, function of agents, the right of an agent, liability of an agent, remuneration of the agent and termination of the agent is all done by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India is selecting a person by all these qualifications, expectations, eligibility, rights, etc. Insurance brokers, functions of brokers. What is the duty of agent? Is selling. Functions of the broker, if you come for processing of application for the brokership, licensing procedure, renewal of license, payment of fees, code of conduct for the broker is relationship with the clients, how best he is able to understand the client and he is able to make up that person to join the policy. And also sale practices, how much awareness, good communication skills he exists to reach to the people. Sales practices, duty to disclose information. It is a responsibility of the broker first learning. He is getting the awareness of the policy and he is reading the mind of the customer. Then he should able to disclose the information about the policy. Explanation of the contract. Okay, so how many years, what is the rate of interest, okay, what type of protection it is going to do, these all things comes, and how far it is able to cover the risk also should be explained and explained by broker. And renewal procedure. Renewal procedure means what? Suppose the person who joined the policy did not pay the policy for 1 year or 6 months for the financial problem or health issues or whatever may be the reason. Again they can continue the policy. When they can continue the policy, once they should renew the policy again. So what is the meaning of renewal? When the policy is going to become lapse, how to continue this policy also beforehand explained by the broker. Claims, complaints, documentation and advertisement. Claim means what? The liquid cash which is given to the insurer by the insurance company when there is a demand. He is paying the policy to you. Premium monthly regularly he is paying to you. So when he is paying the policy and he is paying the policy amount in the form of premium, when he is in need of your paying means that situation comes under claim. If any complaints are there with the customers, documentation, preparing the bonds, giving the receipts, etc., as well as advertisement of the insurance also is one of the responsibility of insurance broker. Next, bank assurance. If you come for, bank is coming into the selling, means taking the responsibility of selling the insurance. You can see here, bank assurance is a partnership or relationship between a bank and an insurance company, whereby the insurance company uses the bank sells channel in order to sell insurance products. So what is happening here? Who is selling the products? Bank is selling the products. Bank and insurance company is in with partnership to sell the insurance products. When you go to the bank and you may receive the message from the bank that so and so insurance is providing, insurance company is providing these type of policies. So when bank is giving the advertisement means there is a full security to you. A good company, a company which is having a good will, only the bank is going to give the advertisement or bank is going to act on particular insurance company. So bank is giving the advertisement and bank is selling the insurance policies and products to the public means it comes under bank assurance. Clear? Next, micro insurance agents. Micro insurance agents, if you talk about the small people who are called as trainees, who are also learning about the insurance products and who are getting the experience to catch the people and explain the people and motivate the people, attract the people and explain the people about the needs of future. Okay, the policy can be done for education purpose, for children's marriage, for settlement, for construction of the house, or during the medical situations or any future events. They are attracting the people and making the people to join micro insurance agents for small policies, especially for the underdeveloped areas, or the rural areas, for the people who are coming under below poverty line, or the people who are having less salary employees, wages, the people who are receiving the wages, daily wages, those employees, we are attracting and making the people to join micro insurance agents. So what I request all the students is, you may think that okay, this is 40 marks paper, clear, if you write it, if you learn 2 topics you can pass. Okay, you keep aside this marks topic. When you understand insurance, what is happening is, okay, these type of policies, this type of financial risk conditions are available to us, so that in future we can join the policy. If you join the policy, what are the advantages to you? Financially, you are getting a support from the insurance company. Being an individual, a person in this market, in this competitive world, it's our responsibility to learn about the various insurance existing in India and get the awareness of that, where we can overcome the risk in future. Clear? So I request all the students to concentrate on all the classes, listen the classes, and get the awareness and subject. Same way you revise also. When we are able to explain to you, and when you are listening to the class, concentrate on the class. When you concentrate, okay, yes, this topic I heard, yes, I am aware of this topic, you may get the information. So I request all the students to listen the classes. Thank you students.